did something big. Well, I did something bad first. I have had a 55-inch Samsung TV since 2008. I've had it like 15 years since I bought the house. And I just went at Walmart and bought a 65-inch. Not sure what the brand is, but I'm going to do like an unboxing and stuff. So this is just me driving back from Walmart. I purchased it online. I was a little bit worried that, you know, it wouldn't be in stock. It said it was, but sometimes that stuff's funny. And it was all there. I got a mount for it. I'm gonna try and use the mount that I had with my old TV and see if that works. Hopefully it works. But this mount is meant for you know, 55, I think, or 65-inch TV, so it might be better for this TV than my other mount, which was 55-inch. And this one's a lot thinner, and it's got smart TV, Roku. It's 4K 2160p, I believe. So I am about halfway home. Got the old truck with the new brake caliper on it that I had to replace, and brake caliper line. And driving real slow. Things packaged good. The glass is up. 2 Walmart guys came out and loaded it, so they did a good job. I was worried it wouldn't fit in this short bed, but it does fine. So I'll be back when I get it into the house. Well, here it is. Looks like it's on 4K UHD smart TV, Roku, 65-inch, free mobile app, 2160p, DLED display, wireless streaming, 3 HDMI inputs. So this is awesome. That's the other mount. Went to that TV. There's the mounting bracket, so we'll see if those will fit up there. Here's it mounted on the back. You can see the lines. And then I got this. Alright, about to unbox the TV. Favorite part here. Alright, it cut off on me. I accidentally hit a button. So, looks like we got taped in instructions. Looks like these are the stands. Nice and out of the way, very small. I like that. There's remote control and batteries. Instruction manual. Alright, now I'm gonna have to lay this down on the ground. So a pretty cool thing is I just opened the whole top box and it's got these handles in plastic on both sides to pick it up. So that's what I'm going to do now. Alright, there it is. No cracked screen or anything like that. Everything looks good. I was going to put the stands on the bottom for right now, but I want to stand it up and see what the back looks like. So I'm going to see if take off that mount and put up this new one. I need to figure out what the height is, what the height needs to be. So I'll figure that out. Alright, so got the old mount down and made a template with the template that's under here. Use the level to level it. It said 65-inch TV should be 65-inch to the center of the TV. So I've got that traced on there. Probably going to have to drill some holes. I'm not worried about those holes back there because the TV will be covering it, but because I just want to get it up. But now I am putting these tilting brackets on, and I'm going to use spacers to get clearance for the cords down there. So I got these straps on there. I'm going to center them onto the back. It is flat, so you don't have to use any grommets or anything like that, but I want to get it where it's hanging from the center of that mark up there. That's my 4 holes I need to drill. So I'll get back once I get the brackets on the TV and then the bracket on the wall. Alright, I got the brackets on the back of the TV. I'm not sure what these do. I think they go up and wrap around the mount, so, or attached to it so it can't fall. But these move, so you can tilt the TV. And I ended up putting a big spacer and a little spacer on because the bolts weren't tightening up. So I had to make sure that's tightened up. Now, next thing is I've got my drill bit set here and got to drill these holes. And I'm waiting for the drill to charge completely, which it is. So now I am going to do that. Alright, got the TV up. Sorry about the glare. Blinds need to be blackout blinds like I got back there in the back bedroom, but there it is. It's all up. I had the mount where I mounted it the first time too high. You could see the holes in the wall. But it's a pretty cool wall mount. It moves, TV moves back and forth like that. It's got 2 little straps. If you, those 2 things at the top right there are magnets that keep the straps up, and you can pull those down, and that's how you release the TV to get it off the wall. But I took it back down and mounted it in the proper way, the proper height, and it works great. I don't want to take the plastic film off yet, but I'm going to do that here soon. And I got everything hooked up. I got my Alta-Fiber remote control synced to the TV. I'm just watching YouTube right now, and it's not 4K, but I'm gonna experience 4K on YouTube and the 2160p. So it's pretty awesome. Hooks up to the internet. I'm gonna get everything wiped off and set back up, but it looks really good. I mean, it's big. It's a big difference between this one. You can see how the frame on this one is so big, and that TV's incredibly heavy, and that's from 2008. That TV, it's a Samsung, and this is an O&N 65-inch. It's very little frame around the side. So got it all mounted finally, because I used that 70% alcohol wipe stupidly on this one, and it just ruined the screen. Once it would get warm, it would just get really saturated. Shadows and stuff were like green. You could barely see anything. I was playing GTA last night, and at night you couldn't see anything on the game. So, but that's it. It's all installed. Finally got a brand new TV. It's been 15 years since I've had a new TV. So like and subscribe, leave a comment.